Okay, hi Laura.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
All right, awesome. So today I'm going to ask you a few questions. Well, in this case, since businesses are starting to reopen, I want to know what are the protocols that you have to follow in order to get your hair done? Since I want to get my hair done, but I don't know the exact steps that I have to take in order to do that. So could you elaborate a little bit on that, please?
Sure. So, the first thing is I'm not accepting new clients at this time. I am only taking my existing clients. I will do a health screening prior to my client's appointment, and make sure that they haven't been exposed to COVID. I will ask them if they've had an antibody test, if they have been exposed to COVID. And going forward from there, if all that goes well, I will book their appointment. I am not taking to full capacity. I'm booking one client at a time. And prior to when they arrive, they will text me and let me know that they're in the parking lot. I will let them know if they can come up. I will probably be cleaning and sanitizing. I'm not allowing my clients to bring their handbags, only phone, wallet, and their keys. I will have them, upon entering my suite, either wash their hands or give them hand sanitizer. They also must, absolutely must have a mask. I will also have a mask. I will also be working with gloves on for each client, a new, probably two pairs of gloves per client. Um, I'm not performing blow dries at this time. However, if it is a special request, a wedding or a function, I will accommodate them at their home outside for a fee, a higher fee, obviously, and
That's additional.
that's additional.
Hmm.
Um,
Will you go to somebody's house?
I will. I will.
Okay. So
Yes,
if
I
somebody
will.
has a
Yes.
wedding, if somebody
Yes.
has like
Sure.
some kind of
Right.
you know,
An
party or
occasion.
whatever,
Sure.
and
As
then
long as we can do it outside,
yeah,
that's
outdoors.
fine. Same thing. They have to wear a mask. I will wear a mask.
Mm-hmm.
Hand sanitize. Same thing. A health screening prior.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
Um, I will be applying only color and hair cutting. I will distance myself while the color is processing. I will step outside of my suite so we don't have such close contact. And I think I covered all the bases that I can think of right now. And other than that, we'll have a pleasurable experience and just adjust to this new way of life. And so
Okay.
that's going to be for right now.
So
Okay, good. And no indoor blow dry services, right? No.
No, no indoor blow dries.
no
Okay.
price, guys. And then one of the things is that when you come in, Laura is saying that she's not gonna allow you to bring your pocketbooks. You'll have to bring only your
Wallet,
wallet and
keys,
And phone, right?
phone.
maybe your phone.
Also, I'm only allowing one person. You cannot come with a family member. You cannot come with a child. It's only you, as it will also be only me. I have adjusted my schedule so that it will be myself and my client only in the suite. Then, when my client leaves, I'm allowing 30 minutes so I can clean up, sanitize for my next client.
Okay, great. And now that you mentioned yourself, how are you protecting yourself, uh, in order to reopen your business?
So, I fortunately have not had COVID-19. So, I do have a little bit of anxiety. However, I have to get back to my life. I have to get back to work. So I will be wearing a face mask with a shield.
Show us your face mask. Okay, there is the face mask. So
Okay.
she's gonna be wearing with a shield. I love this face mask.
Okay.
It's
So it covers me all up. It covers my eyes and my mouth. I have a full shield, and I do have masks that I will wear underneath them, and gloves, and constant washing of hands. And that's why I'm not taking new clients, because I feel that I don't feel comfortable with a new client being full disclosure about their health. My clients have been with me for over 10 years, and I have confidence that they would not put me in jeopardy just to get their hair done. So that's how I'm protecting myself.
Okay, great. And one last question, Laura. Besides the extra fee that you mentioned before, will other services cost more, or are you maintaining the same prices?
Right. So for my existing clients, my prices have unfortunately increased. And that is also because my products have increased during this whole pandemic. So my existing clients, again, their fees will be increased. However, brand new clients coming in, again, for me coming to your home and doing special occasion hair, the price will be higher.
How much have the prices increased? So when you, like for instance, these prices are subjective. So like for instance, if somebody is getting their hair done now compared to when they will come in winter, you think that these prices will keep going up?
Well, again, my prices are based off of my products. So if I'm buying product and my products are going up, I have to recoup that money.
Okay.
So I have to raise my clients' prices. And for me, I've been very competitive with prices for a very long time. But as we all know, if anybody's gone food shopping, the food is astronomical. So everything is just going up. So like I said, I have to it's got to balance out.
All right.
Okay, great. So yeah, that's it. I think we covered all of it.
Great.
Would you like to add something else, Laura?
I just want to say that, as dreadful as this may sound, I am so looking forward to seeing my clients. I do have a special relationship with all of them, and I miss them terribly. So I am so looking forward for that, to see them and connect with them again. Like I said, it sounds so dreadful, the protocol that we have to go through, but it's going to be good. It's going to be really good. It's going to be comforting, to say the least.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Laura, for your time, and I guess I will see you, on your business, and I'll probably get my hair done as well.
Absolutely. Thank you.
All right, take care.
All right. Bye.
Train our clients.
Bye.